Falls are the leading cause of death in the construction industry. Your first line of defense is a personal fall arrest system. This consists of a body harness, a lanyard, and an anchor. The anchor point must be able to withstand 5,000 pounds of force. The system must be designed to not allow a worker to free fall for 6 feet or more. Have a coworker or supervisor help ensure you're using the equipment correctly. This short video will demonstrate the proper way to put on the body harness. Let's start with the harness. Hold it up by the D-ring and give it a little shake. Check for the fall indicator tag and make sure it's intact. If it's not, get rid of the harness. Check for any rips or any threads that are loose. If it's in good shape, start by putting it over your shoulders like a jacket and secure at the chest. Next, secure around the legs. You want everything to fit snug, but not too tight. Next, we have our lanyard. We can have a shock absorbing or a retractable or a yo-yo. Check your shock absorbing lanyard and make sure that the pack is still intact. Each end is a double lock. You activate this one first and then the next one will open it. To attach, take the smaller end and attach it to your D-ring. You may need some help with this. Check to make sure the cable in your yo-yo pulls out and goes back in. Like the shock absorbing lanyard, it's also a double lock. Touch this one first and this one next. It attaches to your D-ring the same way as the shock absorbing. The carabiner attaches to your anchor point. Twist it and push it in. Don't forget to put on your other PPE. One of the most common forms of fall protection is a guardrail system. This consists of a post every 7 to 8 feet, a top rail between 39 and 45 inches, and a mid-rail halfway between the top rail and the work platform. When anyone can be present beneath or in close proximity, a toe kick should be used. The guardrail system must be able to withstand 200 pounds of force. Guardrails may be needed not only on scaffolds, but also on building floor edges, in doorways, in windows, or around a large hole in the floor. Small holes in a floor level or work platform may be covered with something such as thick plywood. When covering a floor, it is important to mark it and anchor the plywood down with screws or nails. The last thing you want is another worker thinking it is just a piece of wood on the floor and picking it up and stepping right into the hole as they do so. Any and all fall protection systems should be left in place and not tampered with. Any problems should be immediately corrected. Notify your supervisor or the competent person when a fall hazard is present and the solution is not easily found. There may be a need to establish a controlled access zone.